Assalamu alaikum class. I am your physics teacher Iram. We have completed chapter number 10, simple harmonic motion and waves. Now we have to start the exercise. Today we will discuss conceptual questions. Question number 1 is, if the length of a simple pendulum is doubled, what will be the change in its time period? I will give you some hints about every question and you have to write the answers yourself. As you can see the formula, T equals to 2 pi under root L by G. You have to make use of this formula and you can see in this video different pendulums with different lengths. Observe it carefully. Your answer will be here. You can give your answer by making use of this formula and this video. You have to just see what will be the change in the time period if the length of simple pendulum is doubled. Question number 2 is, a ball is dropped from a certain height onto the floor and keeps bouncing. Is the motion of ball simple harmonic? Here you can see a bouncing ball. So you have to tell whether it is simple harmonic or not. You have to just keep it in your mind the two conditions of simple harmonic motion. Number 1, acceleration and net force must be proportional to displacement, and acceleration and net force must be directed towards equilibrium. Observe the video and see whether the motion of this ball is simple harmonic or not. Question number 3. A student performed two experiments with simple pendulum. She used two bobs of different masses by keeping other parameters constant. She has kept the lengths constant and she has taken the pendulums with different masses. In the video you can see part number 1, pendulum is with different masses, and number 2, these are with different lengths. Observe it carefully and make use of this formula, then write your answer. Question number 4, what types of waves do not require any material medium for their propagation? There is a flow chart for the waves. All the types are given. I think you can pick easily the type of waves which do not require any material medium for their propagation. Last question. Plane waves in the ripple tank undergo refraction when they move from deep to shallow water. What change occurs in the speed of waves? As we have completed ripple tank recently, it will be easy for you to answer. Make use of this wave equation, V equals to F lambda, and this video. You can see here the water is entering from deep to shallow water. Its path is changed and you have to observe what changes are there in this video during the refraction. Keep it in mind that the frequency is not changed in ripple tank because as frequency is the number of oscillations, number of waves passing through a point in unit time, and it depends upon the frequency of vibrator, that was the wooden block that was attached with the motor and was responsible for the disturbance or production of waves in the ripple tank. The frequency of waves depend upon that vibrator and it is constant because it is just making disturbance in one part according to the oscillations of vibrator. So frequency is constant in this equation in this case, and then you have to tell what is the relationship between velocity and wavelength and what will be the change in the speed of waves. So that was all about the questions. Only 5 questions are here. You have to answer these questions, write these answers of these questions and send me the pictures. I will correct them and I will also send my notes for your correction.